Hello everyone. The question is this question is the this question is belongs to the optics. So question says that a beam of a light is traveling from region 1 to 4. From region 1 to 4. A beam of a light is traveling from region 1 to 4. Refer to the figure. The refractive index region 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the one region, two region, three region and four region. There are the four region. The refractive index of first region is n naught, n naught by 2, n naught by 6, n naught by 8. Okay. So refractive index of these four regions are given. Also, the angle of incident theta for which beam just misses the entering region 4. Just misses the entering region 4. The angle of incident theta, we have to need the angle of incident theta, means this is the first boundary, we have to need the angle of incident theta so that beam of a light just misses entering region 4, so that beam of a light just misses entering region 4. Just we have to find the angle of incident theta for which just आपका beam of light is just miss the region 4, means the beam of light cannot be enter on the region 4. Just misses, important word. Misses is not just misses entering region 4. मतलब कि beam of light region 4 में ना जाए तो just आपका, ठीक है, वो एंगल हमें थीटा निकालना है. थीटा वो एंगल ताकि थीटा हमें निकालना है एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट, ताकि ये रीजन 4 में बीम ऑफ लाइट ना जाए, जस्ट ना जाए, जस्ट इंटर ना करे, जस्ट की बात कर रहा है. ठीक है. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चंस वी हैव टू नीड द वैल्यू ऑफ अ थीटा, मींस एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट थीटा. ओके. This question is belongs to the I.I.T 2028. Okay. So now we are trying to solve that region. We are trying to solve that region. Okay. Just आपका misses entering region 4, just misses entering region 4, just misses entering region 4. That is the word important. Okay. Now write the word just misses entering region 4. Just misses entering region 4. Okay. So we have to need the value of theta. We have to need the value of theta. Okay. There are the three boundaries, and there are the region 1, region 2, region 3, region 4. Okay. For these questions, we are trying to value of theta. Okay. So we know that we are applying the Snell's law at that one. Before that solving the questions, we have tried to find out that concept. Okay. Concept is such that let us suppose that region. Okay. If this angle is the theta. Okay. This is the, let us suppose n naught by 2. N naught is the any positive number. So n naught by 2 is the less than, means n naught is the denser medium compared to n naught by 2. This is the rare medium, denser medium. Implies that ray will be bend away the just normal. Okay. That region will be away the normal. Okay. At this point, this is the, let us suppose this is the angle theta 1. Okay. That region also, this is the denser medium, rare medium. If any ray from denser medium to rare medium, then that ray will move away the normal. Okay, if any ray will be from rare medium to denser medium, then that ray will bend toward the normal. Okay, and that point will be away the normal, away the normal, away the normal. Okay, away the normal. Okay, now we are finding at the try to find out the Snell's law at this point. Let us suppose this angle is the theta 1. So this angle theta 1, also this angle theta 2, theta 1 region. This is the normal and this is the normal. Okay, this is the angle theta 1, theta 1. This is the alternate angle theta 1 and theta 2, normal, normal. Okay, this is the angle theta 1. Let us suppose this is the angle. Let us suppose another angle. Let us suppose this is the angle theta. Here, I can say this is the angle I. This is the angle I. So we are applying the Snell's law at A1 point, A2 point, and let us suppose this is the that point, or we can say that point. This is the point A3. Snell's law at A1 point. Snell's law at A1 point, what will be the N1 sin I equal to N2 sin R. At A1 point, theta is the angle of incident, refractive index is the N0. At A1 point, the angle of refraction will be theta 1 and refractive index will be N0 by 2. So we will apply the Snell's law at A1 point. Means N0 into sine of theta equal to, this is the refractive index N0 by 2. N0 by 2 into sine of theta 1. This is the equation number 1, let us suppose. And we are apply the Snell's law at A2 point. Okay. At A2 point, N0 by 2 into sine of theta 1 equal to, here, N0 by 6 into sine of, let's suppose this is the angle I. This is the angle I. Okay, equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. Okay. So N0 by 2 sin theta 1, N0 by 2 sin theta 1, this value will be equal. Imply that we can say N0 sin theta equal to N0 by 6 sin I. So you can say N0 into sin theta equal to N0 by 6 into sine of I. N0 will be cancelled out. N0 will be cancelled out. Okay. For that point, let's suppose this is the another equation. Let's suppose this is the equation number 3. Okay. So N0 sin theta equal to N0 by 2 sine of a just आपका I. Now for that point, this is the given point, just missing the entering region 4. For missing the entering region, then what will be condition will be exist? Then for missing the entering region 4, that must be at A3, not apply Snell's law. At A3, we should apply the TIR, total internal reflection. Total internal reflection means just misses the region 4. Just misses the region 4. मतलब कि ये रे फोर्थ रीजन में नहीं जाएगी. कब नहीं जाएगी? जब टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन करेगा. रे आई जस्ट रिफ्लेक्ट हुई जाके. तो इसका मतलब जस्ट हम लोग A3 पॉइंट पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे? TIR की हम लोग बात करेंगे. दैट इज द TIR. वो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट आई. लेट अस सपोज दिस इज द आई एंगल एंड आई एंगल. This angle must be same. This line will be parallel. This is the I and this is the I. Alternate angle. This is the I and this is the I. So we should apply the TIR at A3. Means for A3, that region cannot be go at that region. No, that region cannot be go. Just TIR, and that region will be just आपका grazing point. Just grazing point. That region cannot be exist. Just that angle of incident I for which just greater than IC TIR, total internal reflection. Critical angle is not. For critical angle, the angle of reflection will be approximately 90 degree. Then that angle of incident are known as critical angle. So at this point, that cannot be a critical angle. And by that we can say for TIR, the I is greater than IC. I is greater than IC. I is greater than IC. So just I is greater than IC. just TIR. That region, let us suppose just TIR, just just misses the entering region 4, just misses the entering region 4, just misses the entering region 4. Okay, means for just misses the region 4, we should apply the critical angle of incident I is greater than IC. I is greater than IC, then that is the TIR. Means for TIR, total internal reflection, I is greater than IC. I is greater than or equal to IC. Okay, this is an important point. And sine we should apply, then sine I is greater than will be IC. Sine is the increasing function, so equality cannot be changed. I is greater than IC, sine increasing function, but angle theta that should be from like 0 to 90 degree. So sine is the increasing function. Okay, so I is greater than IC, I is greater than IC, sine I is greater than or equal to IC. Okay, for this point we should find out the IC. IC is what? We are discussing about the IC. IC is what? IC the critical angle. Okay, for critical angle we are knowing about the critical angle. Okay, critical angle is this. Let us suppose IC is the critical angle. This is the critical angle. This is the critical angle. We are discussing about the critical angle. Okay, that is the normal and that angle is the IC. This is the, let us suppose mu1 and mu2. Okay, mu1 and mu2, and that is the angle of incident for which refraction should be that of numbers. Refraction should be that number. Means this is the angle of refraction, R is approximate or 90 degree. Okay, so mu1 sine of that is the IC equal to mu2 into sine of 90 degree, mu2 into sine of 90 degree, because for angle of incident, for which angle of incident the angle of refraction should be equal to 90 degree, then that angle of incident are known as the critical angle. So sine 90 equal to 1. So sine IC equal to mu2 divided by mu1. Important point, mu2 divided by mu1. This is the refraction, this is the incident mu1, and refraction will be the mu2. So sine IC equal to mu2 divided by mu1. Okay, here this is the mu1 is what? Mu1 is equal to mu naught n naught divided by 6, and mu2 equal to just आपका n naught divided by 8 refractive index. Okay, and IC equal to angle of refraction should be equal to 90 degree. Okay, so you can say sine IC equal to mu2 divided by mu1. So mu2 is what? N naught by 8. Right here, n naught by 8 divided by n naught by 6. So 6 is over. So we can say that number equal to 3 divided by 4. Okay, sine IC is greater than 3 divided by 4. Sine IC is greater than 3 divided by 4. Okay, here that is an important point. Sine IC is greater than or equal to 4. In this question, just misses entering region 4. Misses entering region 4 means sine IC is greater than 4. Sine IC is greater than 4. Let us suppose 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means that is the if sine IC equal to 0.78, then that is the misses region 4. If sine IC is greater than 0.90, then also that misses region 4. But just misses region 4 means sine IC equals to 3 by 4. But sine IC cannot be greater than 1. Okay, because sine is lie from just आपका -1 to 1. In that we can say just missing 4. So equality will be exist sin IC equal to 3/4. Just misses region 4, sin I equal to 3/4. That is the important point. Just misses means sin I equal to 3/4. So we should apply sin I equal to 3/4. So putting in region 3. Okay. Sin of n naught will be cancelled out. Sin theta equals to 1/6 into sin I. Sin I equal to 3/4. Okay, 3/4. This is the number 3 to the 6 equals to 1 by equals to 1 by 8. Imply that theta equal to sin inverse 1 by 8. Okay, I think that should be a answer, sin inverse 1 by 8. Okay, मतलब कि इस क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया है, साइन IC 3/4 से जस्ट बड़ा ही होगा, तो रीजन 4 तो मिस करेगा, लेकिन जस्ट का 4 मिस करेगा, जस्ट है, जस्ट मिस करे, वो हमें थीटा निकालना है, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट निकालना है। इसका मतलब यदि साइन I 3/4 भी हो जाता है तब भी मिस कर जाएगा रीजन, ठीक है। इसका मतलब क्या होगा, हम लोगों ने साइन I को एग्जैक्टली 3/4 रख दिया है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने थीटा निकाला है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने क्या निकाला है, थीटा निकाला है, ठीक है। तो वही हमने काम किया है, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है, जस्ट उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने थीटा निकाला है। ओके, यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट किया, आंसर हुआ। यहाँ पे तो आपको नंबर मालूम ही है, इस पे इसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने क्या किया, इस पे जस्ट आपको क्रिटिकल एंगल है μ1 μ2, इसने स्लैब अप्लाई किया, दैट एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट फॉर विच एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन शुड बी 90 डिग्री आर नोन एज द क्रिटिकल एंगल। ओके, सो इसने स्लैब μ1 sin I C इक्वल टू C मतलब क्रिटिकल एंगल इक्वल टू μ2 sin ऑफ 90 R equal to 90 for which angle of incident equal to critical angle. So sin IC equal to μ2 divided by μ1. So μ2 equal to, μ2 means just आपका reflection वाला, n naught by 2, μ1 means incident n naught by 6, n naught by 6, n naught by 8. Okay, well put किया sin IC equal to, so that is the theta equal to sin inverse 1 by 8. So this question is the I.I.T 2008 questions. Okay, 2008 में आया क्वेश्चन है।